I'm gonna show you how one eyeshadow palette, yes, one palette can do every look you could possibly want. This is the Undressed palette. It's by Kosas. So let's start with a daytime look. We're using a light shade like that, and we're just packing it. And by packing, I mean tapping it into the actual eyelid. So from lash to crease. Using the same brush, I'm gonna use this sort of caramel-y color, and I'm doing little circle motions with it right through the crease of my eye and bringing it out towards the temple. Smaller brush, I'm gonna use this darker shade to smudge it underneath to create a shadow liner, which is just gonna give me some nice definition. It's that easy, and it's a beautiful daytime look. This is just wearable for work, for going to do your errands, easy. Now we're gonna amp it up a little. So this would be if you're gonna go for birthday drinks after work, maybe to like back to school night, something like that. So you want a little more oomph, but not like nighttime. Right on top of this look, we're gonna go in with this brown, tap it off, and just work on this outer corner. Once you've got that outer corner on, use whatever is left on your brush and carry it through about halfway. We're gonna take our lightest shade and tap that just in this eyeball part here. Work it in nicely, take any leftovers and just put it up along the brow, and it just gave you a little more oomph. Small brush, darkest shade, and we're going to create a liner. That's look number 2. You can see it's a little more sophisticated, a little more put together, but super easy. Now we're gonna bring this look all the way up. I'm going to take the darkest shade and smudge that all the way across my lash line. You can be really messy with this because we're gonna blend it out. Now just keep blending that up into the crease. So you're using that same color and just kind of working it all into that lid, up into the crease, and start to drag out a little towards the temple. Looks like that. We're gonna clean it up. I use my fingers for this next part, and I just smudge that corner to kind of blend it and pull that up. Fluffy brush on this peachy shade, use it right above where we just applied that shadow. This is gonna be a transition color. Let's take that darker color and use it as a liner all across the bottom lid and a little bit into that corner. There is one shimmer in the palette. We're gonna take that and tap it into the corner. Yes, that's how you take this look next level. One palette, 3 looks,